So, here's how you can change country on Amazon. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing you're going to do is open up any browser in your system. Head on to the search box and type Amazon.com, and now we will click on the first link. Here in the top right corner, click on Sign In. If you have created an account, then sign in, otherwise create an account. We will enter our email, then we will enter our password and click on Sign In. After that, our Amazon store page will open. Now we will change the country of our Amazon account. So let me tell you how we can change the country on the Amazon account. Follow my steps. First of all, look at your page. There will be 3 lines in the upper left side corner. Click on it. After that, go to the bottom. Then you will see the flag of the country below. We will click on this option. After that, we will select a country by clicking on the country option. Then we will go down and click on the Go to Website option. After that, the country of our Amazon account will be changed. So we can change any country on our Amazon account.